Hola and welcome back to Benidorm and Beyond, my original YouTube channel since 2020. Brought to you by me, an English woman who's lived right here in the resort for well over 20 years and whose aim is to bring you fun, positive and informative vlogs about your favourite tourist city, so please subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of my brand new content in the future. Today's vlog brings you an up-to-date look at some of the building and renovation works that are going on here in Benidorm at the moment, following my recent videos over the last few weeks, months and indeed years covering the same theme. We started today in the Rincon de Leix area along the busy main thoroughfare of Avenida de Severa Ochoa, almost opposite the 4-star Hotel Melia, as well as directly adjacent to the popular British pub The Corner Bar, where we see that work is now really coming along on this area's brand new Lidl's superstore, which it seems is as eagerly awaited by holiday makers wanting to take a look at it when they're next here as it is by the locals themselves. With all the main construction now completed, including the huge underground car park, meaning that in total this hypermarket will have room for no less than 250 cars to park, paving is now being laid at street level and a grey metal structure has also been erected outside the main glass-walled main building, which looks suspiciously like a shopping trolley parking zone to me. Rumoured to be the largest Lidl in Spain when complete, the builders have given a projected opening date of between November the 6th and the 20th, so hopefully by the time it does finally open its doors, it will be full of Christmas deals and offers, and not forgetting all those bargains that you never knew you wanted, situated in the iconic Lidl middle aisle. Moving just 1 kilometre away from this site, towards Benidorm Palace and beyond further still, we see that slap bang next to the camping site of El Raco, another new German supermarket is also being built in a hurry, this time in the form of Benidorm's first Aldi. Although not quite as handy for tourists and residents staying in the main Rincon de Leix neighbourhood, this will no doubt be perfect for people on the many nearby campsites and caravan parks, as well as those in the surrounding villas and residential complexes, and with no underground complications or demolitions necessary before starting this project, the work really does seem to be progressing quickly on a weekly basis. Staying in the Rincon and along Avenida de Zamora, which is home to both the holiday apartment blocks of the Luxmar and Playa Mar, we see that the emergence of the new National Health Clinic for the population of this area of Benidorm continues, with a large amount of the brick structures now having had concrete cladding added, although still remaining empty at this time. This massive project has a budget of €4.3 million and will provide much needed new healthcare spaces for the growing needs of the bustling Rincon de Leix, which not only has its large local multicultural community, but which also provides hundreds of international tourists with emergency healthcare as long as they turn up with their EHIC or GHIC card with them, and of course some ID, which is essential for just about any transaction here in Spain at any time. Moving back to Camping El Raco again, we see that on the other side of this popular campsite that a brand new site is also emerging, and this newly cleared and still developing area will become a sister site to the already existing small campsite of La Torreta, which sits directly behind Benidorm Palace and which houses 237 plots and 11 bungalows. With previous concerns from the Town Hall and other relevant authorities about this new zone being subject to flooding risks now resolved, the works are in full flow as you can see. And as I've said before, but it bears repeating, what a fantastic location for another site, with those stunning views of the surrounding mountain ranges and countryside looking over it from afar. My last piece of footage comes again from the Rincon de Leix, which is such a magnet for holiday makers of all nationalities due to its glut of bars, restaurants, shops, cabaret venues and hotels. And here along Avenida Ametlla de Mar and next to the large and now closed down and empty premises of the Sabadell Bank, we see that work is steaming ahead on this area's first Irish tavern. Located in the old premises of the Piel Iviake shop, which used to sell a selection of leather goods, bags, jewellery and accessories, it was announced on Facebook on September the 25th that this empty unit has been taken over by the pub chain that owns the Silver Dollar, the Gold Dollar Bar and the brand new $1 million venue along Quai Girona or the Strip, to become a fabulous new Irish themed bar in this great location. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day, and hasta pronto. Cheers!